Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel Gamaarz. Today, we have an exciting product review for you, a stylish statement in modern design. Contemporary Chrome Waterfall Bathroom Faucet, wall-mounted single handle in the realm of bathroom fixtures. The Contemporary Chrome Waterfall Bathroom Faucet stands out as a sleek and innovative addition to any modern space. This wall-mounted single-handle faucet not only offers practical functionality but also serves as a striking design element. In this comprehensive review, we'll explore the key features, performance, and overall impression of this contemporary faucet. The first thing that catches the eye is the faucet's contemporary design, blending minimalist aesthetics with a touch of sophistication. The chrome finish exudes a timeless elegance, seamlessly integrating with various bathroom styles. The wall-mounted installation adds a touch of avant-garde flair, freeing up valuable countertop space and creating a clean, uncluttered look. The standout feature of this faucet is its waterfall spout design. Water gracefully cascades in a smooth, sheet-like flow, adding a luxurious touch to the daily routine. The single-handle operation complements the overall minimalist design, providing ease of use and contributing to the faucet's uncluttered appearance. Beyond its eye-catching design, the Contemporary Chrome Waterfall Bathroom Faucet delivers impressive performance. The single-handle control allows for precise temperature and flow adjustments, providing a comfortable and efficient water experience. The ceramic cartridge ensures durability and smooth operation, minimizing the risk of leaks and drips over time. Installation is straightforward thanks to the wall-mounted design. The package includes all necessary components and clear instructions, making it accessible for both DIY enthusiasts and professional plumbers. The faucet's compatibility with standard plumbing connections further simplifies the installation process. Maintenance is a breeze, as the chrome finish resists tarnishing and corrosion, maintaining its lustrous appearance with minimal effort. The waterfall spout design also reduces splashing, keeping the surrounding area dry and easy to clean. Customer reviews consistently highlight the faucet's aesthetic appeal and functionality. Users appreciate the smooth and steady water flow, emphasizing the calming effect of the waterfall spout. The single-handle operation has received praise for its user-friendly design, catering to individuals of all ages. Some users have noted that the chrome finish is exceptionally durable, retaining its shine even after extended use. Overall, positive feedback centers on the faucet's ability to elevate the bathroom's overall ambience while delivering reliable performance. The Contemporary Chrome Waterfall Bathroom Faucet, wall-mounted single-handle, successfully marries form and function, making it an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish and efficient bathroom fixture. Its modern design, ease of installation, and positive user feedback make it a standout option in the crowded faucet market. This faucet is a testament to the idea that a bathroom fixture can be both a practical necessity and a statement piece in contemporary home design.